Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the graph of the exponential function h in the xy plane, where y equals h of x, has a y-intercept of d, where d is a positive constant. We're asked which of the following could define the function h. So what does it mean for it to have a y-intercept of d? That means when x equals 0, y, in this case h of x, right, is equal to d. So let's plug in x is equal to 0 into our options and see which of them puts out a d. So h of 0 for a is equal to -3 times d to the 0. What is d to the 0? Well, anything to the 0 is just 1. So this is -3 times 1, or -3. We're looking for a positive constant, so this is not the answer. B, h of 0 is equal to 3 times x, which is now 0, times d. 3 times 0 times d is 0 times d, which is just 0. 0 is not positive, so we continue. H of x, h of 0 is equal to d times -x, so -0 cubed is equal to d times -0 is just 0. 0 cubed is just 0, so 0 again. And d h of 0 equals d times 3 to the 0. 3 to the 0 is 1, so this is just d times 1, which is d. So when x is 0 for d, for answer d, h of 0 is equal to d. So d is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.